with which you are to be crowned when conferring the Royal Arch degree, with its inscription, Holiness to the Lord, ever remind you of the dignity of the office you sustain. The breastplate is to teach you that the honor and interest of your chapter and its members should be always near your heart. The various colors of your robes will be briefly illustrated in the course of the charges to be delivered to your subordinate officers. This is the charter under which you are to work. You will receive it as a sacred deposit and never permit it to be used for any other purpose than those expressed in it, and safely transmit it to your successor in office. Companion Marshal, you will invest the excellent high priest with the jewel of his office and conduct him to his station.